In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the billing address field during the Shopify checkout process. If you've wanted to streamline your customer's checkout experience by modifying address requirements, you'll want to pay close attention. Let's dive right in. Firstly, it's essential to understand Shopify's stance on the billing address field. According to Shopify's documentation and community guidelines, completely removing the billing address field during standard checkout is not an option, especially when customers complete their transactions using a credit card. This requirement is in place primarily for fraud prevention and to satisfy payment gateway necessities. While it might feel like an inconvenience, these features are in place to protect both you and your customers. However, there's a way to simplify how this field functions. You have the flexibility to adjust your settings so that the shipping address is used as the default billing address. This adjustment eliminates the need for customers to fill in the billing information separately, reducing the steps needed to complete their purchase. Alternatively, you can configure your checkout process so that customers are required to have their shipping and billing addresses match, simplifying the form further. You might be wondering if there's any part of the billing address requirement that can be removed. While you can't do away with the entire billing address requirement, there is one modification you can make: hiding or removing the address line 2 in the address form. This allows you to streamline the information you collect without sidestepping any essential requirements. Let's move on to adjusting address collection preferences to make this process as seamless as possible. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin. From there, head over to the Settings and then click on Checkout. Once you're in the Checkout section, locate the Advanced Preferences area and then to the Address Collection section. Within this area, you'll find several settings related to collecting addresses. You'll see the option to allow shipping and billing addresses to be different. This setting can also be toggled to ensure the shipping address comes using its own field by default, rather than being set as a default billing address. Furthermore, there's an option to require the shipping and billing addresses to match. If you're aiming to simplify the checkout process as much as possible, consider enabling this setting. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. These tweaks won't remove the billing address field entirely. Still, they can significantly smooth out the checkout process by autofilling or effectively hiding it behind a convenient "same as shipping address" checkbox. By following these steps, you'll keep the checkout process clean and efficient while remaining compliant with Shopify's requirements. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you in refining your checkout system, providing a more seamless experience for your customers while keeping their payment information secure.